If your check engine light is on with a P0420 code, don't spend money on a new catalytic converter just yet. There are a few simple things you should check first. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven methods that many mechanics use before recommending a replacement. Let's get started. If you are getting a P0420 error code, this video is going to show you 3 practical at-home solutions to fix it. First, use your Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0420 error code. The P0420 error code is one of the most common issues you may encounter. It indicates that the catalyst system efficiency is below threshold in engine bank 1. This means your catalytic converter is no longer functioning efficiently, causing your vehicle to release an increased output of harmful pollutants. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A. Use a catalytic converter cleaner. There are many different types of catalytic converter cleaners available, and they are typically priced under $20. To use one, simply pour the cleaner into your gas tank. To ensure it runs through the system effectively, you can either drive the vehicle for approximately 150 miles or let the engine run at about 2,500 RPM for 30 minutes. Method B. Wash the catalytic converter. First, remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Next, fill a bucket with water and detergent, mixing it until it creates a thick foam. Submerge the catalytic converter in the solution and let it soak for 10 hours to dissolve any buildup inside. You will notice honeycomb-shaped structures within the converter that clog easily. This deep cleaning helps clear those channels, allowing the unit to function efficiently again. Method C. Modify oxygen sensor. You can resolve a P0420 error code by installing a spacer to create additional distance between the oxygen sensor and the catalytic converter. To begin, obtain a spark plug non-fouler. Next, use a 1x2-inch drill bit to bore out the non-fouler. This modification ensures there is enough clearance for the oxygen sensor to fit properly inside it. Put them together and put them back on the catalytic converter. If you find refitting the component is too complicated, you can also get some parts like oxygen sensor extender or oxygen sensor socket to create that space. Here are 3 practical ways to resolve the P0420 error code following your repairs. You can now use the Zeus app to clear the code, then tap the rescan button to verify that your vehicle's systems are functioning correctly. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Engine Clinic, and turn on notifications for more quick DIY engine code fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.